If you've been using AI image generators recently, you've probably already tried Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2. And the question almost everyone has right now is simple: which one is actually better? Because on paper, Nano Banana Pro is supposed to deliver the highest image quality, while Nano Banana 2 focuses on speed, efficiency, and better prompt understanding. But in real use, the differences aren't always obvious. So in this video, we're going to put them through a series of side-by-side tests to see how they actually perform. By the end of this video, you'll clearly know when to use Nano Banana Pro and when Nano Banana 2 is actually the smarter choice. Let's find out. The first test is pure photorealism. The prompt I'm going to use here is ultra-realistic portrait of an elderly Mongolian woman with deep wrinkles, sharp hazel eyes, gray hair blowing in the wind, wearing traditional indigo clothing with embroidery, cinematic lighting, 85mm lens, extremely detailed skin texture. Usually, Nano Banana Pro produces slightly richer skin textures and micro details, but Nano Banana 2 often looks almost identical unless you zoom in. Next, we'll test a cinematic environment image. The prompt is a lone samurai standing in heavy rain under a glowing sign in Tokyo at night. Reflections on wet streets, dramatic lighting, cinematic composition, cyberpunk atmosphere, smoke and fog in the background, ultra-realistic movie still. In this one, Nano Banana Pro generated a more realistic image, and it understands the context of the scene. But Nano Banana 2 created a more detailed image, but the context is missing here, and it's also looking a bit rough. Now let's test informational graphics. Prompt is a modern infographic explaining the rise of agentic AI, clean layout, colorful, minimal design, vector illustration style. Both Nano Banana Pro and 2 has generated the right infographics, but if you want minimalistic and simple, go for Nano Banana Pro. And if you want flashy infographics, then use Nano Banana 2. Next, we'll test product photography, which is extremely important for creators and brands. The prompt I'm going to use here is luxury product photography of a black matte perfume bottle on a reflective marble surface, soft studio lighting, water droplets around the bottle, high fashion advertising style, ultra realistic. Both Nano Banana Pro and 2 did good work in product photography. Finally, let's test a complex multi-object environment. Prompt is a busy, futuristic marketplace on Mars, humans and robots shopping together, neon signs, holographic advertisements, alien fruits on stalls, flying drones delivering packages, cinematic wide shot, ultra-detailed environment. Nano Banana 2 often handles these prompts surprisingly well because it maintains object consistency across the scene. Now let's talk about something that becomes very important when generating lots of images: speed. Nano Banana Pro usually takes noticeably longer to generate images. Nano Banana 2, on the other hand, can produce results 2 to 3 times faster in many cases. And if you're creating large amounts of content for thumbnails, posts, or concept art, that speed difference becomes huge. Another practical difference is cost and credits. In many AI platforms, Nano Banana 2 requires significantly fewer credits per image compared to Nano Banana Pro. So if you're experimenting or generating lots of variations, Nano Banana 2 can be a much more economical option. So which one should you actually use? For most everyday creators, Nano Banana 2 is probably the more practical model. But if you're chasing that final extra level of visual detail, Nano Banana Pro still has the edge. But I'm curious, in these tests, which one do you think performed better? Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy exploring new AI tools and comparisons, make sure to subscribe because we test the latest AI models before they become mainstream.